Hello, in this video I want to explain about Vue.js. In this case I want to explain about a method in Vue.js. Maybe we can have one case. This case I want to make a delete button and we can continue with our last project in the last video about Vue.js. And we have some buttons here. We can push one of them like this, and every button for one row. If we push one of button, it can delete every row like this. Okay, and we can open our Deras file, and here my Deras file, and we can open. If you don't know about Deras file, you can watch my the last video about Vue.js in the first my video, and we can type cmd for open command line in Windows, and we can type code space dot to open a Visual Studio Code here. Okay, we can run our project using Go Live, because Go Live is one of plugin in Visual Studio Code. Wait a minute. Okay, we can push Go Live here. You can install Go Live first in Visual Studio Code to use it. And there is a button here we can add in every row in ly tag. We can use a button tag here like this, delete. You can see. Okay, we can use for design we can use a tailwind here like this. I want to add a background color, maybe red, 700. You can see that. Okay, we can use a white text in Tailwind CSS. Okay, like this, and we can add padding for horizontal px with 3 value, and padding for vertical py with value 1 here like this. Okay, you can add rounded. Yes, we can see there is rounded every button. Okay, it is there is no space here. We can add margin y like here, like this. Margin y. Okay, maybe there is maybe not in button but in ly tag. Margin y, margin vertical like this. Okay, it is good. And the button is near with our line, uh, underline. Maybe we can add padding y in ly tag like this. Okay, it is good, but I want to button is the same particle with others. Maybe we can use flex here, because there's there's two items here, value and button here. We can add flex row like this, and we can add justify between like this. Okay, maybe we can enter for class in order we can see the syntax, all the syntax, and you can see maybe we can give a space between text and button with use cap x2 like this. Okay, the button maybe we can change about cursor with hand cursor. Maybe we can use in our button cursor pointer like this. Yes, yes, is it true? And for our button can delete every row. I mean, we can add uh, a method in app.js. App.js we connect with our HTML using this script. Uh, okay, we can add our method block like this. Methods. Okay, maybe we can the name our method with delete to do. Okay, like this, delete to do. Okay, we can try using alert. Maybe we can show okay here. Okay, text if we click this button can appear alert with the text okay. Okay, we can use click and find, and we can call this method delete to do like this, delete to do. Okay, we can try first. Okay, it works well, I mean. And we must use because every row must have a unique value. We can see every row there is a unique value. Maybe we can use this tag, but it is not usual. Maybe we can use id like a primary key in database. Maybe we can change this data using a key var value. Yes, like a JSON format. Maybe there's key and value pairs. Maybe the first data there is id one and message. Maybe everything you will use about a key. I use a message key and with value. Okay, the second array, I mean, with id 2 message or everything you will use about the key. Okay, okay, we can delete them like this. Okay, and we can add maybe we can enter we can add okay, we can try first. Okay, all data will appear here, id and message, because item now is key value data. There is id, there are id and message every row we can see. If we want to get just message, we can add dot message like this. Okay, we just appear about a message, not ID. Okay, how about we want to send a ID because ID is a unique key now. We can add a parenthesis here with item.id like this, and we can test here. We can add a parameter here, maybe selected ID or etc. It is up to you, and we can try first. Okay, okay. ID with one, ID two. It is two. Okay, we can continue about how to delete every row. We can use this syntax. This to-dos, we can use a filter syntax in JavaScript. Filter like this, maybe to do for a single value like this, to do uh, ID because ID every single value to do have has ID, not equal because we just get uh, not equal ID value because for ID equal ID, we want to delete it. Okay, selected ID like this, and we can put for not equal ID data in variable to-dos. Replace all with the new value. Uh, I mean like this. Okay, we can try. Okay, okay, okay. We can if we can you can see if there's data. There are rectangle border here. Okay, we can use for hidden for hide rectangle border in Lee or in UL. It is up to you. We can use P if like this. If to-dos length for bigger than 0, she will show border, and smaller than 0 will hide the border. Okay, we can try again. Delete. uh, so we can refresh. Delete. Okay, delete. Okay, you can see the border of will hide now. The border hide now, I mean. Okay, I think it is enough in the second video about method. uh, we use method and we call method in button by call the name of the method like this, delete to do, and there's a parameter here, ID. We can see there's parameter here, and with parameter we can delete every value in our data. Thank you for your watching. See you again in the next video.